tyGraph has a proprietary engagement algorithm called the MAE score, measure of active engagement. And what we allow you to do is really kind of articulate for your organization and your stakeholders what do we mean when we talk about engagement. So, for example, is it just pure messages? So is it the amount of activity that's going on within your network? Is it people being mentioned? So if we're looking for knowledge workers and so forth, that's a good way of finding them. Or reactions. So are people, engaging with the metrics on a reactive basis? So we combine all these different tabular opportunities and we score them over time. And this really gives you kind of an activity measurement, a barometer, if you will, as to how things are going within your network. Anytime we do a measure, of course, we can be very prescriptive about the time frame that we're measuring. We're measuring a couple of months here. And when we're doing that, we'll look at the previous period and tell you whether you're trending up or trending down over that period of time. Number of members who have been engaged. And a thing that we've introduced recently is unique licensed users. So the people who actually have a license from an engagement perspective, it would be erroneous for us to score people who don't even have a license for Teams, as an example, to be part of this calculation. From a details perspective, we'll always break this out into more of a tabular format and then give you trending over time. So we may want to do week over week comparisons. We may want to do monthly comparisons, or perhaps we're pulling in some of our different HR facets. In this case, we're looking at location and understanding how Teams is being used on a locational basis. Over on the left, we have another filter, for example, by department. If I want to just hone in on a particular department, maybe my data sciences department versus information systems, and see how those different departments are engaging. All sorts of opportunities to analyze your network on an engagement perspective and giving you some very clear direction as to how your network is working for you.